community nowadays, we encounter problem of high voltage and low voltage. We discovered that it is due to the wrong connection, which is mainly done in rural areas. We are students of opposite science from Government Bilingual High School, Sultan Ibrahim Joya Foumban. We are here to present you for our project based on house wiring. In physics, we can follow this our project on the topic current electricity. It is based on two laws. We have the Kirchhoff voltage law, which says that the attribution of potential difference and electromotive force in a closed loop is equal to zero. Kirchhoff current law, which says that the total amount of current entering a junction is equal to the total amount of current leaving a junction. In our community nowadays, we encounter problem of high voltage and low voltage, which cause damages to electronic appliances and house birds. From our observation, we discovered that it is due to the wrong connection, which is mainly done in rural areas.
On realizing these projects, we needed some equipment such as switches, batteries, cables, light emitting diodes, and resistors. We also needed a sample of a house which we used cardboard to design a 3-room house, which is the one mostly found in our community. It's in such a way that all the connections here are in parallel, so that at the end of the day we can obtain a bright bulb. When we on switch 1, we have the light there that comes on, and the same thing goes with room 2. When we switch it on, it also comes on, showing that when you on room 2, the brightness of the bulb in room 1 does not reduce, it's still the same. And it's the same thing for room 3, which is behind. Its brightness are all the same because of the spiral connection that we use here.
The problem of high voltage and the problem of low voltage. So here we try to introduce some resistors to bring down the current flowing to the bulb, because this high voltage in our area has led to the destruction of many electronics, and even on our project it also destroyed our bulbs. We also face the problem of low current, in which bulbs could not shine very well, and then what we did is we used a higher power supply, and this, which is this battery, to increase the power supply to the project. Today in rural areas, for low current, to do this in our community, we will rather increase the power supply in terms of low current, or we reduce the number of clients per cable.
This our project had many advantages. An advantage of it is that by resolving the problem of high voltage, we reduce the damages of electronic appliances in our community and the damage of houses in our community. Due to high voltage, houses got burned, electronic appliances are being damaged, and due to low voltage, bulbs in our houses do not more shine again. We don't have enough energy. Hope you learned many things about it. Hope you love the project. Thank you for watching our project.